Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and Del Arc has made the most perfect nightstand for my guest room. This fluted farmhouse nightstand is so elegant and makes such a statement in any bedroom. I think this is the perfect size for any nightstand, and it has two drawers that are really generous in size, very deep, and hold a lot. It's the perfect thing for my guest room as I like to put a lot of little things in there for my guests when they stay. It's crafted in this classic fluted design and really just brings texture and depth with rustic charm and modern sophistication. It is a extremely sturdy build and it was really easy to put together all on my own. The faux marble top also is just such a classy element to this whole thing. If you've been looking for the perfect nightstand, stop your search now and get this one. I love it. I think it's perfect and you will too. And that's my point of view.